Hi, my name is Scott Myers, and I work here in Investor Relations for Oncotelic Therapeutics, and today I'm going to be demonstrating our shareholder verification program for Pet2DAO. First, you're going to want to go to token.pet2dao.com, and you will see a website that looks like this. It is important to note that you are going to want to review the instructions linked here and watch the end of this video until proceeding. Then, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click the box to say you've read the instructions and click to proceed. Next, you're going to want to enter your digital wallet address. This is your Ethereum address and looks somewhat similar to this. Now, you're going to want to make sure you provide an Ethereum address and not a Bitcoin wallet address. This is also the address that you want the tokens to be sent to. We recommend utilizing your wallet address provided by the program MetaMask, as that is the industry standard for connecting Web3 applications, and it is the one that Pet2DAO utilizes. After submitting your wallet address, you will see a screen like this. Make sure you double check your wallet address, as if you enter the wrong one, we may not be able to get you your tokens. So make sure you double check. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click the button, Verify Shareholder Status. After you click the button, you will see a screen like this. What you will want to do is search and select the brokerage that you have your Oncotelic shares in. If you do not see your brokerage listed, or if you have your shares in book entry form, please reach out to us and we will work with you to verify your shareholder status manually. Once you select your brokerage account, for this example, I'm using TD Ameritrade, you're going to want to go ahead and sign in with your username and password. Please note that your sign-in information is not saved and we do not have any access to your login information. Once you've entered your information, you will see something that looks like this. It may take a few minutes, so please be patient. After getting a success message, you will see this page with the blue spinning circle. Now, this may take another minute, and it is important to be patient and not refresh the page, and do not panic if nothing is loading. The program is simply verifying your shareholder status and calculating how many tokens you are owed if eligible. Upon the successful validation of your shareholder status, and if you are entitled to receive your tokens, you will see a message like this. It'll tell you exactly how many tokens you are owed, and for every 2,000 shares you own, you're entitled to receive 1 token, and no fractional tokens will be issued. You will also see a transaction ID. It is important that you save this in the event that you need to contact us regarding your tokens. We recommend you take a screenshot of this page and save it for later. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please reach out to token@pet2dao.com. We are very excited to have you all join us at Pet2DAO. Thank you.